If you are an artist or designer looking to monetize your skills online, then I have some idea for you. What about becoming a Freepik contributor and selling your designs on this platform? And in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know to start earning money by selling your artwork on Freepik. First, let's talk about what Freepik is. For those unfamiliar, Freepik is a large stock image and vector marketplace. It's one of the most popular sites for creators to sell royalty-free graphics, illustrations, photos, PSDs, and more. And here is how it works. As a contributor, you upload your artwork to Freepik. Customers browse the platform, and because your designs are available only to premium members, they need to purchase the premium plan in order to download them. As a contributor, you are paid based on the number of downloads your content receives using the pay-per-download method. This means that the more downloads you receive, the higher your profits will be. It is a win-win situation. As an artist, you get paid for your work and customers gain access to a wide range of high-quality assets. If you have a portfolio of illustrations, vectors, or other graphic design assets, becoming a Freepik contributor could be a great way to finally start earning from your artistic talents. And if you are still interested, there are few key benefits to selling your work on this platform. Firstly, it's free and easy to apply to become a contributor. If your first 10 submissions meet their guidelines, you are approved. Secondly, you earn a royalty each time someone downloads your artwork. Therefore, by adding more designs, your earnings accumulate over time. And last but not least, Freepik offers a non-exclusive model, which means you can upload your designs from other marketplaces. So in short, Freepik makes it simple to get your creations in front of a huge audience of paying customers. It is a set it and forget it source of passive income. The earnings per download may seem small when compared to other marketplaces like Adobe Stock, but over time they can compound into decent money. In fact, some top Freepik contributors even earn over $1,000 per month. So if you are ready to get started, here is exactly how to become a Freepik contributor. First, you will need to create a free Freepik account. Go to the official website and click Becoming a Contributor and enter your email address and username. Try to choose a professional username as you won't be able to change it later. After confirming your email, you will be redirected to the contributor dashboard. This is where you will manage your portfolio and track your earnings. As a test, new Freepik contributors need to submit 10 images that meet Freepik guidelines. This initial submission process ensures contributors understand Freepik's expectations for image quality, keywords, title, and so on. Submitting your first images is simple. All you need to do is click the Upload Files button and then drag and drop them into the dedicated place in the right sidebar. After you upload all your images, you will need to add titles, tags, and descriptions for each image before they are submitted to the review team. This metadata helps customers find and understand your images in search results. Doing it right is crucial for getting downloads and earnings. For each image, you will need to add a descriptive title that summarizes what the image is while using relevant keywords. You will also add relevant tags that describe the image. These tags are something like keywords people are searching for on the Freepik. Lastly, when uploading AI-generated images, it is important to include the image model you used and provide a description of the text prompt that was used. When you are done adding metadata, submit the images for review. What I like about Freepik is that the review process takes just a few business days, unlike Adobe Stock Marketplace, where it can take 2 months or more. With Freepik, you can build a large online portfolio of your designs, follow the latest trends, and potentially generate passive income. If you stick with it and regularly upload new content, you can really build an interesting income stream. It takes some patience and effort upfront, but over time the earnings from each download really add up. Freepik's global reach exposes your work to millions of potential buyers. So, what are you waiting for? Become a Freepik contributor today and start getting paid for your art.